Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shambhu and today we are going to discuss about Pipeline. Pipeline is an open source telemetry receiver tool. It is available on GitHub for free. You can download it from there and use it. This is the pipeline architecture which we are seeing on the screen right now. Left side we have Cisco routers. Pipelines listen to the telemetry streams sent by Cisco routers, and it will be forwarding those streams to time series database. Time series databases are the database which keeps track of timestamps from the data which it receives. And here, since we need to plot graphs and want to see that between what time to what time, what was the pattern of the data, etc. So we need a database which is something like time series database. So for time series databases, you can use any of the open source tools available like Influx Data or Kafka or Prometheus. That would work for you. Apart from that, we need another important tool here, which is Grafana or any GUI tool which can take data from our time series database and plot it in form of graph and show us a neat, clear picture of the data which we are receiving from the router with the help of telemetry. So there are four important pieces in this configuration. First piece is pipeline.conf file. This is basically a configuration file which will have protocol information like TCP, UDP, UDP. It will have encoding information. It will have port number information, etc. It will also have information to reach to time series database, which is InfluxDB in our case. GitHub link provides another time series database which is Prometheus. We have a Docker version of it on GitHub, but I'm not going to use it. I want to use InfluxDB in this case, so I'll be downloading that database from the InfluxDB website. Second is InfluxDB tool, which I'll be definitely downloading it from the website. The third is GUI tool, which I'll be using as Grafana. I'll use the same Docker version which is provided on the GitHub. I'll be going through all these steps while I'll be installing it on my Ubuntu laptop. The laptop has 4 GB of RAM. This is the information I'm giving you just to, in case you want to try it by yourself and you might be thinking that what should be the configuration of my laptop to support it. It doesn't take much memory, but still, I'm just giving you the information of my machine on which I'm doing this. The final and fourth piece of information is metric.json file. Basically, whatever data we are receiving from the router should be converted to the format which is understandable via the Influx database or any of the time series database. So here we are using metric.json file to do that conversion. Next is the installation step. First we need to clone the GitHub directory, then change the configuration file as per our configurations, whatever we need there, and then install InfluxDB and then Grafana, do some changes in Grafana, and we should be seeing a neat and tidy graph of our network data on the basis of Yang data model, whatever we are using.